it's Lemon Juice Vlogs here.
And Awesome Twin
Sisters. And today we are going to be doing a Nerf video with a special guest named Stephanos. Come on. So he has lots of Nerf guns, as you can see in the front picture. So yeah, let's get started. Some of them we're not going to use on each other.
And I have a robot.
Because they're really hard. Anyways, let's move on. Stephanos is going to choose his gun.
I'm going to go.
This one.
Oh, God.
That one. Okay, this gun.
My turn to choose one.
Yes, so.
Make it that one. Taking this one.
Okay. He's going to take this gun.
Yes.
So, my turn to choose. I think I know which gun I'm going to choose.
No, you guys, you can't choose that one, remember? Guys, remember you can't choose that one?
Yeah. Now, dog, what's the gun do? Try to shoot Stefano with it. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. So
And as you saw, he brutally killed me with the hammer.
Okay, so bye and see you later on Lemon Juice Vlogs and Awesome Twin Sisters.